Hello everyone, I am Captain, and this is ZeroClaw-style, a terminal native agent framework and CLI built on the ZeroClaw protocol stack. The idea is simple. Instead of using a browser-based builder, you do everything from your shell, but more than just a CLI. ZeroClaw is a ZeroClaw-style agent framework. It gives you three primitives: agent loop, tool registry, and memory layer that any autonomous agent can build on top of. Under the hood, it uses ZeroClaw compile for AI inference, ZeroClaw storage for persistent agent memory across machines, and ZeroClaw chain for on-chain framework registration. Now let me install our package ID. Yes, it's added. It's published as an npm package. One command, global available. You can see the full command list here. Init, create, edit, preview, deploy, sync. The entire workflow lives in your terminal. Now let me log in. You authenticate with your ZeroClaw compiled credentials. This saves the token locally, so every subsequent command hits ZeroClaw compiled for inference. I'm using mock mode here, so the demo output is deterministic. The exact same commands work against the real ZeroClaw compiled endpoint. Now let me init. OG init scaffolds a project from a template: rigged white, Next.js app, or static landing. But that's normally because I have already initialized my project. So let's go create. OG create takes your prompt, sends it to ZeroClaw compiled, gets back a plan and the unified diff. You say exactly which files change and what the changes are. Then it applies them. This is diff first. You always review before anything is written. The plan summary at the top tells you how many files are affected. Now we are going to edit. OG edit does the same pipeline on existing files. It reads your current project state, sends the context, plus your prompt to ZeroClaw compiled, and applies the diff. You are iterating on real file state, not starting from scratch. Let's go to the sync. OG sync push serializes your project metadata and uploads it to the ZeroClaw storage network. Then it writes the resulting file hash to our framework registry smart contract on ZeroClaw chain Galileo testnet. Your project state is now on the centralized storage, and the pointer to it is on-chain. OG sync will read that hash back from the contract and downloads the payload. This is how agents share memory across machines. Now let me go forge agent. Yes, now the agent framework layer. This is the goal agent built on top of the forge agent runtime. It reads a list of calls, runs OG create or OG edit for each one, and then runs a reflection loop. After each step, it evaluates the result. Success means continue, failure with retrieve left means retrieve, exhausted retrieve means skip and move on. This is the agent loop primitive. The tool registry wires in OG create, OG edit, OG sync as callable tools. The memory layer persists agent state, local file or ZeroClaw storage. At the end, it registers itself on ZeroClaw chain via framework registry. Yes, this is our frontend. You can see the three framework primitives here: agent loop, tool registry, memory layer, and the full ZeroClaw protocol stack. Compiled for inference, storage for memory, chain for registration. Yes, that's ZeroClaw Forge, agent framework, CLI, full ZeroClaw protocol stack, all in one terminal native package. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.